Welcome on my channel. Today we learn about formula a cube plus minus b cube. This is equal to a plus minus b multiplied by a square minus plus ab plus b square. Mathematics for class 9th, unit number 4. Algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas. Now we solve exercise 4.6 according to this formula by using this formula. Exercise 4.6, question number 1, find the product. Second part of question number 1, 3 minus b into 9 plus 3b plus b square. Let us solve this question. We know that we write here the formula of this formula of only negative sign, because we have a question with negative, and this is very important. If you use positive sign, all upper signs are used in this formula, and if you use negative sign, all lower signs are used. For example, we write here a cube minus b cube. This is equal to a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. In our case, we have a is equal to 3 and b is equal to b. So we write here in this formula 3 minus b, 3 square plus 3 into b plus b square. This is equal to 3 minus b into 3 square plus 3 into b plus b square is equal to 3 square minus b square is equal to 27 3 cube. We have 3 cube minus b cube, 27 minus b cube, which is our answer. Third part of question number 1, 8 plus b 60 into 64 plus 8b plus b square. We know that our formula for plus sign, positive formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In this case, we have a is equal to 8 and b is equal to b. So 8 plus b into 8 square minus 8 into b plus, we have here minus sign. In the question we have minus plus b square. This is equal to 8 cube plus b cube, which is our required answer. Question number 2, find the product. First part of question number 2, 2p plus 1 divided by 2p into 4p square plus 1 divided by 4p square minus 1. We use this formula for solving this question. We observe that in this portion we have plus sign, so we use plus formula having plus sign. We have formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. By comparing given question with formula, we observe that here a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 1 divided by 2p. By putting in this formula or rearrange our question, we have 2p plus 1 divided by 2p is into 2p whole square plus we putting here minus 2p into 1 divided by 2p plus 1 divided by 2p whole square. We observe that these cancels and we have minus 1 according to our question. Next we put all these equations in all these substitutions of A and B in the formula. We have this is equal to 2p whole cube plus 1 divided by 2p whole cube, which gives us 8p cube plus 1 divided by 8p cube, which is our answer. Question number 3, find the continued product. First part of question number 3, we have x square minus y square multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square. We observe that by using this formula, we have to solve this question by using this formula, and we observe that in this formula plus minus we have two formula combines, one with plus sign and second with minus signs, and this portion is twice occurs in this question. But here we have x square plus y square, but in formula we have a plus minus b. It means we can separate in this into two parts, or we use this as a formula. So we write here in solution we have a formula x square plus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. So we use this in the formula. We can write x square minus y square into x square minus xy plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y into x square plus minus xy plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square. Now we arrange in such form that this part gives us two formulas of this given formula. We have first we write positive with negative minus xy. We write here as x square x plus y with x square minus xy plus y square and x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This gives us two separate formulas with opposite signs. We have here x cube plus y cube, and this gives us x cube minus y cube, and this again a formula in this form. We can write here as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square, which is equal to x power 6, 3 multiplied by 2 6 minus y power 6. This is our answer. Question number 4, find the product with the help of formula. This formula we have question square root of x minus square root of y multiplied by x plus square root of xy plus y. Now we solve this by using negative formula. We observe that we write here formula x minus y is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square, which is our formula. So we write this according to this formula. We have square root of x minus square root of y multiplied by x plus square root of x y plus y. We write this into power form x raised to power 1 by 2 minus y raised to power 1 by 2 and x plus xy raised to power 1 by 2 plus y. We write here this is equal to x raised to power 2 whole cube minus y raised to power 1 by 2 whole cube. This is equal to, we multiplied 3 by 1, we have 3 by 2 minus y raised to power 3 by 2, which is our answer. Question number 5. Simplify x raised to power p plus y raised to power q multiplied by x raised to power 2p minus xy power pq plus y raised to power 2q. Now we solve this by using formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. We write this formula here. We have formula a cube, we convert a into x cube plus y cube, this is equal to x plus y, and x square minus xy plus y square. Here we have a is equal to x raised to power p and x is equal to x raised to power p and y is equal to y raised to power p. We modify our question into this form as x raised to power p plus y raised to power p into x raised to power p square minus x power p into y power q plus y raised to power q whole square. We can write it as x raised to power p whole cube plus y raised to power q whole cube, which gives us, we multiply 3 by p, 3p plus y 3q, which is our answer, and this completes our exercise.